Come test drive the 2018 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bose sound system, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, home link garage door opener, remote vehicle start, cruise control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.